Hello guys, so today I'm back with the BMW CarPlay installation. So I've got aftermarket CarPlay installed already. The screen has been installed already, and when I checked it, when I connected with Bluetooth, it's not, the sound is not coming on. It's not playing any music or anything. So I found out there is an wire that is not connected to the main harness. So basically the old harness, you'll see the main harness, basically the one that came originally. So there is an optic fiber like this. Basically you will have to take this is actually for the aux cables, it's for audio. So you have to pull this from the main harness because it does not have anything to connect with this into the head unit. So just if you just pull this out, optic fiber out, just give me a second. Carlin? Okay, so if you just pull that out and install it into the new harness, so basically it will just connect in this box. So there will be a shape here, you'll see the holes there, and you will also see on the head unit as well. There will be two small let me just focus on it. So these these two, so they will connect actually with this. So if you just connect it like this and connect it to the head unit back into it, it will start working. So I'll just show you the result after this. So let me just fit everything back and I'll show you the result if it's working or not. So yeah, after just connecting it, you will hear the sound. The radio is beeping, so it's making that noise. You can hear the radio. So yeah, that was basically the problem. So obviously I had to diagnose it, I had to check what's wrong with it, and I didn't knew what the problem was there. So I've checked all the cable, all the harnesses, which wire is connected and which not. So I found that optic fiber was not connected, and it seems like an audio thing. So I've connected that and sorted out. So it should solve your issues. If it did, thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.